Good evening, my friends, and welcome back to my channel, HACK-ATHON. And today I'm gonna go ahead and show you a way to create a chat application, a point-to-point chat application. And this particular application you can not only use over your LAN, but also over your WAN. The technology is very simple. It's just a bit of innovation that's required, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. And you can go ahead and use this to chat with your friends. It's a very lightweight application. Basically, it uses Netcat. Simple as that. So we have Netcat available on almost every Linux distro. So if I do a NC right now, we'll get this command line. Now if I do nc-help, I'll get the switches here that are required for Netcat. Now first of all, let me go ahead and test this over LAN. Right, so to do that, what I'll have to do is I'll do nc-l, that's for the listening mode. I'll start up listener -p. Let me select port number 7777, and I'll set the verbo switch. So at this point of time, Netcat is listening on my machine for any connection coming from the internet, to and from the internet or the LAN, in this particular case from the LAN, on port number 7777. Now to test this on LAN, I'll open up another terminal here and I'll do a nc, then my IP address. First of all, let me go ahead and check what my IP address is. ifconfig, and that's my IP address. Excellent. So nc IP address and the port that was specified. And if I go back to this tab, I'll see that I am connected. Now let me go ahead and do a hi. You see, it has reflected here, hi. Hello there. Right, so we've got a hello there. How are you doing? Well, I'm doing great. And that will go get reflected here. Now this is over the LAN. Now let me go ahead and show you how to leverage that so that you can use this over the internet to chat with everyone across the planet. And once again, I'm gonna go ahead and use ngrok to forward my request to the internet. So I've got this tab open here and I've got ngrok open. Let me just go ahead and quickly X out of this, and I'll forward the port to 7777, and I'll start ngrok. It's connecting, it has connected, and I am Harry Houdini the magician here. Now this is my IP address, or rather this is the URL that would act as the man in the middle. So I'll take this first, right, and I will figure out what the IP address is. So I'll do a ping. Now ngrok has many mirrors, so to find a stable mirror, you might have to go ahead and ping it a few times, and after 4 or 5 pings, if you get a consistent IP address, it has picked up a stable mirror. Now as you can see, it has gone ahead and picked up the same IP address, so it has gone ahead and picked up the stable mirror here. So once again, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and start my client here, the chat client, and I'll go ahead and change this to this IP address, ngrok IP address, and the ngrok forwarding port, because the traffic is being forwarded from the ngrok server through this port to my local system, right? So I'll have to go ahead and put this particular IP address, and I should be connected here. There you go, I am connected. So if I do a hi here, it will go and reflect here as hi. Hello, how are you doing? And that would go and show up here. Hello, how are you doing? Now I would go ahead and leverage this on a Windows machine to show that this is cross compatible as well. Now you have to go ahead and download Netcat for Windows, because Netcat is not inbuilt in Windows. So you have to go and download Netcat. It's a small application and it's a green software. You don't have to install it or stuff. You can just unzip it and run it. So let me quickly go ahead and start up my Windows machine here. Okay, so I am on my Windows machine, as you can see. And once again, I'll just go ahead and quickly put the command, this particular command here, on my Windows machine. And I'll stop this particular client, and I'll restart the client here, and I'll go back to my Windows machine, and I would go ahead and copy this real quick. Done. I'll go to the Windows machine, and I am connected. I should be connected here. There you go. I am connected, and I am connected over the internet. So if I do a hello, let me just bring this window here. A hello should come up here as well. There you go. How are you? How are you? Bidirectional, I am great. I am great. Awesome. So this chat application works. And we've got the reply here. Sure it does. Over the internet, buddy. And we've got that here. So this is one way you can very easily chat with your friends over the internet without any special equipment, without any special software. I am working on a way to encrypt this, because this is in plain text. It's going over plain text here. I am working on a module, a Python module, to go ahead and encrypt this, and perhaps go ahead and design a UI, a simple UI for this, so that you guys can go ahead and use this and make proper usage of this simple but very innovative chat application. Well, I do hope that this particular tutorial was helpful for you. Do let me know in the comments how you like this, and if you think there are scopes of any improvement, I would be glad to reply back and incorporate them in my particular chat application here. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to stay updated on my latest penetration testing, hacking, and software development video tutorials. Once again, Thank you for watching. Have a good day, evening, or night, wherever you are. God bless now. Take care.